Okay. Do you get how I've copied that particular code that
No, the screen was blank all through. I didn't even see anything that happened.
Okay, I mean this code. Let me show you my screen.
Okay.
You know that I googled it. I googled that pipe tools that I want to use to install. For example, if I want to install this Google API Python client,
Okay.
so I have to copy it. Then you then go to Anaconda prompt. You can see Anaconda prompt.
Yes.
So you then copy the code in Anaconda prompt. Then click on enter. You understand? So Anaconda prompts you try to download your libraries. And all these libraries, they are always in different versions. Most of them are versions. So you can either install a particular library like this. So you can see that it's trying to download it. You can see. So you can most times see requirements already satisfied, which means that I already have that function that I'm trying to download. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, but you can, libraries are always, this is what you'll be doing most times on your Python. If you are using Python for production or for anything, for anything you want to do, any company work or anything,
Can you download this again so I can see how you did it?
You said what? You want to share?
Can you download this again so I can see how you did it?
Okay. For example.
No, me, I didn't see how you did it. I'm just seeing the screen now.
Okay. We have this particular, if I want to download this particular library, you can say I've come here. I want to download, install Google Client API library. You understand? It might not be Google Client API library, it might be like I want to install fake data library.
Okay.
Something like this. So you always get this pipe, their sites. So you always go to their sites, Faker. So I don't even have this library. So you can just copy. You can see that these libraries, they're always in versions, release versions. This is the latest release version, is 0.9.1. But you can see previously released versions. You can look at release histories to see the previously released version. You can see that 0.0 has been released initially. But once I try to copy this code and then you copy this code to Anaconda prompt. You can see Anaconda prompt now.
Yes.
So you just click enter to install the code, this function. If I install this, I'm going to get the latest release version. You understand? I'm going to get the latest release version, but I can actually install for the previous version.
Okay.
So you see that it's going to download now. It's taking so long. But if you want to, okay, let's just wait a little bit for it.
Okay.
You can see that it's downloading now. Can you see it?
Okay. Yes.
So it's downloading it. Yeah, it's going to download that library. Initially, if I try to import fake dash data, it's not going to import it. But until I do this, then I can now import that particular data library that I've downloaded. So it's already downloaded. So, but you can see that it download for previous versions. It comes with a lot of warnings. Okay, I couldn't download. See, you have to this version.
So how did you like? We'll go to Anaconda.
Yeah, Anaconda prompts.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Anaconda prompts. Anaconda prompts. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me, sir? Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello? Hello, sir.
Hello?
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me, sir? Can you hear me, sir? Hello, sir.